Hey everyone, so I'm going to do an unboxing of the new Apple AirPods Max. I got mine in the color pink. So let's just get started in opening these. Alright, so here they are. This is the case. They're kind of heavy, not gonna lie. So, before I actually open them, here's the charging cable, USB-C to lightning. Alright, so I'm gonna put this box aside. So I picked the pink and yeah, these took a little bit, well, they came sooner than I thought, but so yeah, these are actually, after taking them out, they're not that heavy. So here's like a little dial right here, and then a button here. So yeah, these are the pink AirPod Max here, and then a button here. So yeah, these are the pink AirPod Max. They feel pretty comfortable. You see on the inside, right and left. Oops. So yeah, I'm gonna do another video pairing them and trying them on and see how they work. So yeah, there you go. There's the unboxing of it. This is the case. So you put them inside and then you close this. This is magnetic here. So this is mostly just kind of like protection for the headphones right here. And it also has an opening right here when it's in the case, so if you need to charge it, you don't have to actually take the headphones out. You can keep them inside the carrying case and obviously just plug that in and then just carry it like this. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and comment. Bye.